Part 9. Fruit. Learn English through stories. Cactus pear, or prickly pear, has vibrant flesh and sweet, juicy pulp. I use it to make colorful drinks or enjoy it fresh for a tropical treat.
Medlars are brown fruits that soften and sweeten as they ripen. Their flavor is like spiced applesauce. I enjoy medlars in desserts or simply eaten fresh. Cloudberries are orange and juicy with a tart sweet flavor. They're rare but perfect for jams and sauces. I love spreading cloudberry jam on warm toast.
Nance is a small yellow fruit with a musky sweetness. It's popular in desserts or drinks. I enjoy eating Nance fresh with a pinch of salt for extra flavor.
Mangostein's thick purple shell hides white, juicy flesh that's sweet and tangy. It's my favorite treat on hot summer days. Its refreshing flavor is unbeatable.
Jujube, or red date, is a chewy fruit with a natural sweetness. Dried jujubes make a perfect snack or addition to tea. I enjoy their earthy flavor in every bite.
Loquats are yellow-orange fruits with a sweet, tangy flavor. I enjoy them fresh, straight from the tree, or baked into a pie. Their unique taste is unforgettable.
Kiwi berries are mini versions of kiwis without the fuzz. They're sweet, tangy, and easy to eat. I love snacking on them or tossing them into yogurt bowls.
Buddha's hand is a citrus fruit with finger-like sections. It doesn't have juice, but its fragrant zest is amazing for cakes or tea. Its aroma fills my kitchen with happiness.
Sapodilla is a brown-skinned fruit with sweet, grainy flesh. Its caramel-like flavor is a treat for my taste buds. I enjoy eating sapodilla fresh or blending it into a creamy smoothie.
Zalaka, or snake fruit, has scaly, reddish-brown skin. Inside, the sweet and tangy flesh is crunchy and refreshing. It's perfect for tropical vacation. I enjoy peeling and eating salak fresh by the beach. Longan is a small, round fruit with translucent, juicy flesh. Its sweet taste is similar to lychee. I love snacking on longan or adding it to fruit cocktails for a tropical twist.
Durian, the king of fruits, has a spiky shell and a strong smell. Some call it stinky. I call it delicious. It's creamy. Sweet flesh is perfect for desserts like cake or ice cream. Eating durian is an adventure that always leaves me craving more.
Nectarines are like peaches, but their skin is smooth and shiny. Their sweet, juicy flavor makes them perfect for a summer snack. I love slicing nectarines for fruit salads or blending them into refreshing smoothies. Miracle fruit is magical. It makes our foods taste sweet. I love eating it fresh and then enjoying the sweetness of lemons or grapefruit.
Star apple has a shiny, purple skin and sweet, creamy flesh. When sliced, it reveals a star shape inside. It's deliciously refreshing.
Ackee is creamy and yellow, a fruit that's delicious when cooked. It's famous in Jamaican cuisine. I enjoy it paired with salted fish for a hearty breakfast.
Soursop has spiky skin and soft, creamy flesh. Its sweet and tangy flavor is perfect for smoothies or ice cream. I can't resist its tropical charm.
Sea buckthorn berries are small, orange, and tangy. They make a fantastic juice that's both nutritious and refreshing. I enjoy their bright citrusy flavor every morning.
Quince is a golden fruit with a firm texture. When cooked, it becomes soft and sweet. I love making quince jelly or baking it into pies. Thank you. Follow us to learn English by stories.